Good morning all, once again. Now these two film videos are blasts from the past. They're two of my favourite videos. I've knitted them together so that you can see two of my favourite videos. The first film is LittleAl and I having a crack and just having a laugh, and the second video is it's a take on when there was riots in Athens a few years ago, 2012, that's right, yes, 2012, and the English media confused Corfu with Athens, not realising that Corfu is an island. Would you believe it? Anyway, I'd appreciate it if you try and watch them to the end. If you don't like the first video, fast forward on to the second one. The best bits are, I think, are on the end where LittleAl is doing his little cameo parts. Anyway, enjoy the videos. Two blasts from the past in one. Double bubble, double trouble. What can I say? Enjoy.
Hi, Henry.
Hello, Liza. There's an hole in my bucket.
Right.
I'm fed up of holes in my bucket. There's a song there somewhere. Isn't there?
Well, you sing it and I'll play it.
You know, the piano's on my foot, Mum.
You hum it and I'll play it.
Hang on. There's a hole in my bucket, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in my bucket, dear Liza.
What are you?
I don't know.
Hang on.
I've not played this before.
I can't see with these glasses on here, Henry. Hang on.
It's okay, Liza. I'll start again. There's a hole in my bucket, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in my bucket, dear Liza.
Well, listen to me, Henry. Excuse me, but I think you're playing the banjo in the wrong key.
I can't see the frigging banjo.
Well, it's a C you want.
That's what I'm calling it a right C.
Henry, you're a tit.
With one shell like a sick dear Liza, dear Liza. With one shell like a sick dear Liza.
We'll stay off, dear Henry. Dear Henry. Dear Henry. Come on, dear Henry. Straw. Fix it.
I wish you wouldn't change the words. If you can't remember the words, I'll write them out for you. With one shell like a sick dear Liza, dear Liza. With one shell like a sick dear Liza.
I've just told you once. With a straw, dear Henry.
I know you told me, but I'll do it again because you forgot the words.
With a straw. You're out soon.
I'm not. That's got to be near a C. Look, 1, 2.
Take your glasses off.
The straw is too long.
Well, Henry.
I'm going to cut it, haven't I? In case you've forgotten the words again.
No. We're cutting, dear Henry. Dear Henry, dear Henry. We're cutting, dear Henry. Dear Henry, cutting.
Put your glasses on, Liza, so you can tell me what what you're doing. Put your glasses on, Liza, and tell me what to do.
Who's that?
You look so attractive to me.
You've got lovely eyes.
I know, darling. We are gay. What am I supposed to cut this with?
Oh, I was just talking to you. Bloody axe, Henry.
Oh, an axe. The axe is to go. The axe is to go.
These men, you know, when you get on your wick, they stop.
You she-males are pretty difficult to work with, you know.
I'm not a she-male. No, I'm a ladyboy.
Oh, a ladyboy. With what shall I sharpen, dear Liza, with what shall I sharpen, dear Liza,
I already told you once. I told you the bloody action silly song, but you said it was not you. It wasn't sharp.
Have you lost the words again?
No,
Oh,
you
my.
have.
Yes.
All right, let's get to the point. Now you want.
But I was going to sharpen it, but you were supposed to told me it was with a stone.
Well, stone, very wisdom. Should keep in time.
The stone is too dry, dear Liza, the stone is too dry,
Henry, my love. Wet it, for God's sake, wet it.
You sound just like my wife.
I am your wife.
Oh, shoot! Oh, sorry, that's long and all.
You're blaming me all the time.
Oh, never mind,
It's
sweetie.
water. Water.
Water.
Water.
With what shall I win it, dear Henry, dear Liza? Water. Water. Well, what shall I carry? Just a minute, Liza.
Why can't you get it in the bucket?
There's a hole in my bucket, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in my bucket, dear Liza.
Well, I think that's a wrap. Oh, get it off. I don't care what it comes out like. It was nothing like we planned. Nothing like we planned.
Well, you kept losing your words, and so did I.
So did you.
Good morning. I'm Big Al, here in Corfu to bring you first-hand film evidence of the reported rioting and fighting here in North Corfu. A rumoured hotbed of seething mass hysteria, blood and gore caused by hardship and unscrupulous politicians. Regardless of my own safety, I'm going to venture forth into this heaving mass of humanity to show you the truth. This may be offensive to some people. Please send your children out of the room now. It won't be suitable. If I survive this report, I will endeavour to interview one or two of the survivors, just for you, almost live, here on YouTube. This is Big Al, on behalf of the 2 Hours Productions, going now. jump up in their streets. But I see a local person here. I'm going to ask him what his feelings are. Yes, sir, I'm coming. Excuse me, sir, coming. Can I ask you something about the situations here in Corfu? Sir, excuse me, sir, can I ask you something about this?
Do you mind? I'm just having my bloody dinner.
Oh, sorry, sir. In that case, we'll leave this alone. Thank you for your time.
Man. Where am I?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, man dressed as hippie. What do you think about the situation in Corfu, sir?
Hey man, where's Corfu?
Oh, well, in that case, sir, I'll leave you alone to your business. Goodbye. Excuse me, sir. Can I speak to you about your situation in Corfu, please?
Sorry, I can't speak to you now, mate. I'm taking my bird for a walk.
Oh, sorry, mate. Okay. I'll see you later. Thank you. There's a drunk dressed as a man, or a man dressed as a drunk. I'll ask him. Excuse me, Mr. Man, dressed as a drunk. What do you think about the situation in Corfu?
Fuck off, will you?
I think we'll leave that one alone, ladies and gentlemen. We'll leave him alone. There's a person. Excuse me, sir or madam, dressed as a puffter. Excuse me. Can you tell me what you think about the situation in Corfu, please, sir? Madam or puff?
You are sexy. Give us a kiss.
I beg your pardon, madam or sir or it. I'm asking you about the situation in Corfu.
I'm going home.
Oh dear, we'll pass on. Excuse me, drunk man, woman, dressed as whatever. I want to talk to you about the situation in Corfu. Can I talk to you, please?
Stop now. The arms are open.
Excuse me, madam.
Right down to the... Bye-bye.
Oh, God, I'll give you a pass on that one. Thank you. Well, there you are. I searched high and low for the troubles here in North Corfu. I can't find nothing anywhere. Situation normal. Even my interviewees, who I searched high and low to find, the local characters, everything is normal in Corfu. So book your holiday, come and see us, because this is the best holiday spot around in all of Greece. North Corfu, Akaravi. If you see us, I'm on Absolute Vodka and Orange, and LittleAl, as usual, is on his John Smith beers. So come and join us. This is Big Al, on behalf of the 2 L's Productions, signing off. Bye-bye. Another blooming little film under our belt, Al. What do you reckon?
Brilliant.
Hey, bit of fun that was, wasn't it?
A bit of a laugh.
Hand me a beer, mate. Hand me a beer.
Yeah, here's a beer.
Oh, cheers.
Ow!
Cheers.